morning. We've got our Skycam pointed toward the south and west in hopes of seeing that full moon today, but it's hiding behind some clouds that have been rolling in from the west. And so no views of that anymore, but maybe you caught it last night or earlier this morning as it was trekking across the sky. And we've got, of course, a sunrise at 5:30, so not too far from now either, and brightening up already as you see on our Storm Team Skycam network. So let's check out our temperatures from yesterday. This gives you an idea of what we were dealing with. We had some clouds to the southeast, and clouds kept those temperatures down into the 70s there. Those of us who had sunshine, low to mid 80s for your highs yesterday. And we'll have similar conditions today where there are more clouds, it'll be cooler, and where we can get more sun, we'll heat things up rather quickly. So a look at our current temperatures. We are in the low 60s to the east in most areas. It's 66 in Fargo, 68 in Grand Forks. A lot of us in the upper 60s to start off this morning. An area where visibility is low is in the Southern Valley. We've got a report of 1 mile in Wadena, so some low visibility there. And then down toward Gwinner and Sisseton, looks like we've got some lower reports coming in from those areas too. So watch out for that fog here this morning. And wind is out of the south and up to 12 miles per hour in Grand Forks. So very light wind to start off today. So here are the clouds that you can see rolling through. They're taking over the Fargo-Moorhead area, Grand Forks, some higher clouds just to the west. And we're in between areas of rain and thunder. There's some rain and thunder shower activity going on up around Winnipeg, and then some rain showers and some thunderstorms as we expand the view here down in South Dakota. Complex here moving down to the south and east, our little system that's bringing in some heavy rain and what looks like some large hail to parts of South Dakota. And we are missing that. We are in between those two areas of rain here this morning, though we can't rule out the potential for some showers or even some development happening as we get through the morning hours. So this is 7 a.m. You can see some areas of very light rain, some spotty sprinkles on the map. Heading into the late morning, early afternoon, our model shows that we could see some storms redeveloping up around the Lake of the Woods area. This is noon, and a lot more cloud cover over there, so temperatures more likely into the 70s. Where we get some sunshine at lunchtime, we'll be already seeing those low 80s, and then heading into the afternoon, more of the same. Those showers, those thunder showers roll off to the east. Those of us west of there and along the Red River and west especially, getting into some low to even mid 80s for your highs for today. So another warm one, with ending up with mostly sunny skies by the second half of the day. Heading into tonight, temperatures should be pretty comfortable. In fact, maybe even a little warm, feeling a little muggy for some. So temperatures in the 60s up north and some 70s in the south late. And then heading into tomorrow morning, we'll start off with some 60s to begin the day in the south up north, some places where we're looking at some 50s to start off the day with some quieter weather to start too. So here's a look at the morning hours. We're going to be seeing some quieter conditions in the morning. Warm though, by noon, we are already going to be at the low 80-degree range. And we've got a warm front swinging through that may bring some showers with it, definitely some cloud cover that lifts north and eastward. Behind that warm front, that advancing warm air takes over, and we're looking at some upper 80s in the 5 o'clock hour for parts of southeastern North Dakota. And that lifts through. We get in the warm sector, and late tomorrow night, we're going to be keeping our eyes out for some rain and thunderstorm chances out by Minot. You could see some storms going at the 10 o'clock hour, and that's just going to continue marching eastward. So could be one of those nights where you don't get a great night's sleep thanks to some storms Thursday night and into Friday. So here's your photo today, a gorgeous sunset on Jewett Lake. Thank you, Kirsten, for sharing that. And here's a look at your 7-day planner. We've got some active weather as the bottom line, but we'll get some nice moments in between. We've got the chances for rain and thunderstorms this morning, most likely in our eastern viewing area. Places like Fargo may not see anything at all day. Thursday, most of the day should be quiet, hot and muggy and windy too, a high of 87 degrees. That's especially the case in southeastern North Dakota. And then we'll have a chance for some storms, especially in the late night hours on Thursday night and into early Friday. And this weekend, unsettled, but not everybody getting hit by those storms throughout the weekend. Just a chance both days, and that continues into Monday.
Looks great. Thank you, Lisa. President Trump is coming to town. Coming up on the Valley today, why he's here and what you can expect from his speech.